Using 1-inch screws, install the top and bottom tracks to the side post and magnet jamb. Slide wall jamb over the magnet jamb. Slide second wall jamb over the side post. Move the entire frame into place and adjust the wall jamb for a tight fitting. Frame should be about 1.5 inches from the top and bottom edge of the acrylic wall. Using a pencil, mark your location on the inside edge of the door frame. Place cap holders into 3-inch screws. Using 3-inch screws, attach the wall jamb to the acrylic wall. Do not over tighten, as this will cause damage to the door frame and acrylic wall. Repeat this process on the opposite side of the door frame. Make sure the gap between the jamb and the post is the same measurement on both sides. Using 3/8 inch screws, secure jamb into the door frame from the inside. Repeat this process on opposite side of the door frame. Apply self-adhesive bumpers onto the top and bottom tracks where the fixed glass panel will be placed. Slide glass panel into the side post. Glass panel must rest on top of the bumpers. Fasten the glass panel using the fixing blocks on the top and bottom of the door frame. Insert the vinyl wedge on the inside of the door frame between the glass and jamb. Trim any excess vinyl with knife. Attach the rollers to the top and bottom of the glass door. The H2O label should be facing outward. Top rollers are adjustable and the bottom rollers have a button to secure in track. Place covers over each roller. Install the magnet strip to the side of the glass door by the handle. Install the vinyl seal on the opposite side of the glass door. Using the assembled rollers, hang the door to the top track. Press down button on bottom rollers and slide into track. Install the handle onto the glass door, making sure the knob is on top. Slide magnet strip into magnet jamb. Move the door to the close position. Using 1/2-inch screws, install a setting block into the pre-drilled hole on the top and bottom tracks. Place covers over screws on the inside of the door frame.